so welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be going over the Eagle LED headlight bulbs. I'm going to unbox it, review it, compare it to my other one that I have in now. The one I have in now, I'm not sure of the brand. I've had the car for about 4 years. It's been in there since I bought the car. It's still going strong, but one of the sides, one of the LED bulbs is a little burnt, so I kind of have like this off color. But yeah, I think it's time to change them. I've heard some good things about this brand, Eagle, so I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna go over to the mailbox right now, go take it out, and yeah, see when we get back. Alright guys, so we're here. Got my louver install kit. Right now I have my kit. My louver just two-way taped on when I bought the louver. Like I said in my previous videos, it did not come with the install kit. I bought it used from someone, but let me get a knife real quick. Alright. So here we have the Eagle. It's supposed to be 300% brighter, I guess, than the halogen bulbs. Halogen, whatever it's called. Yeah, this is the headlight kit. Open this up. The description and the link in the description. Yeah, you got so it looks good. I mean, the packaging looks pretty good. Looks dope. Got the product manual right here. Nobody reads manuals really. Sort of like metal, sort of like a metal material. These bulbs look pretty good. Forget it. But yeah, so come this braided wire. These are the 6000K, so these are like the bright whites, the true white lights or whatever. Cooling fan right here. Here on the inside, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but there's a copper lining in there, so that's good too. The chips are pretty much centered on both sides. The yellow chips for the LEDs on this bulb, they're pretty much super centered on both sides. So when I go back outside, I'll go plug in both of them. I mean, I'll have this one plugged in and the ones that I have in already out of the housing, so that you guys can see the difference in brightness. Alright guys, like I was saying, this is actually metal. It's a metal bulb compared to like a lot of the things that you get off of Amazon and Wish or like eBay. These are plastic, but these actually feel, I think they're metal. Alright guys, so we're doing 2 projects today. Supposed to be 2 separate videos. We're on the louver kit. Oh, 3 projects actually. Got the new headlight bulbs to go in the housing, and that's 2 videos. It's the headlight bulbs review and install. And the next video is the 3rd project. I'm gonna fix this. Remember I told you guys. Alright, I got both of them. This is the one I have in now. This is the headlight that I have in now. This one does look good. It also comes with the harness right here. But yeah, that's the brand I have in now. And this is the Eagles. I'm gonna turn the lights on to compare brightness. Wait. Alright, so we switched it. We did something wrong with the harness, so we have the old one here, Eagle on this side. I'm gonna go turn it on real quick. I'm gonna turn off the light. Yeah, the other one is brighter. Yeah, the new one is way brighter. Which one brighter?
This one is more white than this side, yeah?
But this one's brighter, yeah. No, this one is white. This is more blue.
Yeah.
ones, Easy Eagles. Actually both pretty bright. Easy Eagles at half bad though. But yeah. The reason why we're changing them out is because we can't stop the light. Is because where's the old one at? Okay. This one was burnt on one of the sides. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Yeah, that side's kind of burnt right there too. There, you kind of seeing that black, but yeah, let me go put in the other side and then get back. All right, so I got both of the Easy Eagles in there. Here, watch this, guys. Oh my god, that is bright. That is bright. That's bright, yo. That's bright. All right, so got the louver mounted back on. See the nuts there. The 2 headlights in. Let's just give it a cold start to end the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna end the video here, but yeah, the headlight on the driver's side did go out at the end of the video, but that's not because of the brand or the bulb. I'm not sure if I showed it in the video, but my harness was already burnt out, so it went on. I'm guessing maybe it's the harness is bad, so it's not really catching good. So I am gonna go tomorrow to the junkyard and go find a different harness and replace it. But yeah, overall guys, I rate this bulb 10 out of 10. I don't know, just 10 out. I'm gonna give them 10 out of 10, guys. This is 5-star. It's good. Installation is easy, and the brightness off the rails. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and don't mind these Minecraft creeper things. My friend made these. He's a huge Minecraft creeper fan. But yeah, peace.